So we have our first sum here, 47 take away 24. We're going to be using the tens and ones grid in front of us. So we'll partition the first number, 47, so we've got 7 ones, 4 tens. Now we don't add the ones and tens here because that's what we're taking away. We're taking 24, so we'll take away the ones, take away 4, then we take away 2 tens. We've got 3 ones there, 2 tens, 2 tens and 3 ones is 23. Same again here, we have 76 take away 37, so let's put 76 into the tens and the ones. 6 ones, 7 tens. Now looking at this, these ones are bigger than these ones, or larger. So we need to borrow one of these tens, make 10, add them over here into the ones, and now we can take away the 7 ones. So take 7 away. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 left. And then take away 3 tens. Got 9 ones, 3 tens. 3 tens and 9 ones is 39. We've then had a look at the 100 square. So here we have 23 take away 6. So I'm going to find 23 on my 100 square, which is there. And then I'm going to take away 6. So 1, 2 jumps. Now when we get to 21, big jump. 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer 17. Then we've got the tens and ones. So this method is pretty good when you aren't sort of having to worry about going over the tens and borrowing a 10. So it is literally just taking away the tens first. So 5 tens take away 1 10. 7 take away 1, so we've got 6. 5 take away 1, 4, 46. So we're taking the ones, taking the tens. Same again over here, so we've got 37 take away 16. Take away the 1, so 7 take away 6 is 1. 3 take away 1 is 2. Take away the ones, take away the tens.